Trending on Procyon radio and television. I am Sarah Agbo. MKO all-rounder and music comedian is here. Welcome to Trending MKO.
Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for joining us. All of you saying you are suffering, prices of food is high. Give kudos to Mr. President NYESOM WIKE. I will form alliance with North. Tinubu betrayed me. Asari Dokubo. On Trending today, all of you saying you are suffering, prices of food is high. Give kudos to Mr. President NYESOM WIKE. The former governor of Rivers State and current minister of the Federal Capital Territory, NYESOM WIKE, has told the people complaining about suffering to also give kudos to President Bola Tinubu. Watch this on News Central.
All of you who are claiming that you are suffering, the price of food items are high, but also give kudos to Mr. President of trying everything, putting on his energy to see that food items, the prices are brought down. If you don't have good road, the price of goods will go up. If you have good roads, it's likely to reduce, because the transporters will always complain, why we will not have money? There's no good road.
Many of us will not like what NYESOM WIKE said, that we should give kudos to Mr. President, but because he's a minister working under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. But what he's saying to me as an ordinary Nigerian is true. We have to give kudos to Mr. President now, because Nigeria economically we have been sleeping. What the Mr. President is doing to Nigeria now should have given us, as a human being, as a Nigerian, is supposed to make us now to think, let us know how we can struggle out of this wilderness, how we can survive as a human being. But let us look inward now, because we have complained and nothing changed. So we're supposed to at least come to our own sense, because as a human being, they are not the God. Mr. President Bola Tinubu is not the God of Nigeria. NYESOM WIKE is saying that in Abuja is trying to remove the beggars from the street, and they are doing roads in Nigeria. Actually, it's true, they are doing road. If we are not a developing country and want to remain as a developing country, we're not supposed to be having joy to be rearing beggars on the road. Let us find something to do with our hands to survive.
All right. I will form alliance with North. Tinubu betrayed me. Asari Dokubo. Former militant leader Asari Dokubo has vowed to form an alliance with the North ahead of the 2027 presidential election.
Today, I feel that I apologize to our fathers like Abadri and Medford Okilo, that they were not wrong in forming an alliance with the North. And as young men, we will now start that same alliance now. As I am today, from today, I will work and form alliance with the North and to crush all of the opposition. Because those who hate us, whatever we do for them does not mean anything to them. Whatever some people do to them does not mean anything to them. We go all over each other. We will take this message that it's only the Northerners that can work with the Jaw people. We cannot work with the Yoruba people. They are betrayers to us. We risked our life, voted, did everything.
If you listen to what he's saying in that video, he's saying that he supported Tinubu to win the election. Who is Asari Dokubo? Is it the governor of Rivers State, NYESOM WIKE, that is in PDP and work for APC man, who is Tinubu? He is just a militant and a terrorist. If you say that you help Tinubu, how? In which way do you help Tinubu? Are you the INEC that rigged the election for him? Or who are you And you want to tell us, okay, you are your boys, you and your boy, you are the one snatching the ballot paper, or you are the one killing people during the election of Rivers State. You are from Rivers State, and WIKE worked for Mr. President. That is why they compensated him by giving minister. So you now that you say that he's betraying you, and now you want to form alliance with the North, go ahead.
All right. Thank you, MKO, for coming to Trending.
Thank you for having me. Thank you for listening to my music again.
Thank you for joining us. Please do subscribe, like, share, and also drop your comments on our unified YouTube channel, Procyon Art TV, trending on Procyon Radio and Television. I am Sarah Agwo. Keep shining like the star you are.